What's good, guys? It's Tommy here from Adonis Dance Academy. Now, today in this video, I want to show you how you can add a lot of sexual energy to your dancing really quickly. So if you really want to take that dancing to a whole lot more of a sexual level, perfect for like lap dancing somebody, or just really trying to just get somebody really interested in you in a club, then this is a really great concept that can really make you stand out. What I want to show you today is a concept called slow motion body caressing. Now, you use this concept just mixed in with your dance moves, however you dance. If you apply this concept every now and then, not overdoing it, but just throwing in little parts and then kind of grooving out of it and then doing it again. A slow motion body caress is basically just, as it says in the title, caressing your body, yeah? So that means literally sliding your hand down all the different areas of your body. And this can be like anywhere. This can be legs, yeah? This can be going down your torso. This can be going from your torso lower all the way up, okay? This can be down around your head. This can be down around your neck. This can be going up your neck. It can be going down your arms. However you want to, it can be going up your arms. So many different ways you can caress your body. And then there's different textures to how you want to caress your body. You can do soft, yeah? You can go soft up the arms or soft up the body. You can really do a wiping movement if you want, wiping it down off your legs, or wiping it up your arms, wiping it up your body like this, or we can wipe it down, or we can go really glitchy with it, really grippy. You can grab it, okay? Grab your clothes and scrunch it in a ball and release, and then wipe, okay? Grab, release, wipe. All I'm doing right now is just showing you different ways you can do it. But today, I want you to apply those techniques however you want to caress your body. You're going to do it in slow motion, yeah? So watch this example, see how I use it, and then after you finish watching this video, in your next practice session, I want you to try and freestyle, dance however you like to dance, and then boom, use this simple concept in your dancing and let me know how it goes for you. Let me know, how did it feel when you did it? Have you tried it at a bar, at a club or something like that? Or are you giving a dance to your missus? How did she take it? You know, so leave a comment below and let me know how it went down. Enough of that though, watch this demonstration right now.
Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got the gift pack. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got the gift pack. Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. Love, hey, I've been trill, you can tell by how I feel when you with me. Love, wave, tell me, can you slide for a real one? Slide for me, slide for me. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for me, slide for me? Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for a real one? Niggas can't tell me nothing, I'm flexing stunting. Eating all my veggies in my pocket, half an onion. And that pack smell like a funyun. Trump be beating, shit be humming. You can hear me around the corner before you ever see me coming. And they know just how we coming. Pants drumming, she gon' bust it open way before I finish thumbing. I can put you on some paper, proper play, and teach you something. Got my stones on Himalaya, know I'm out your sucker ducking. Ain't no need for that discussion, niggas bluffing with the game. About to build a couple million, came with nothing but my name. I'ma twist it, flip it, stick it like a bop it. Tell them stop it, all them haters out of pocket. Let me plug it like a socket, baby. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got the gift pack. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I
Baby say I make her nervous. Maybe cause I'm real nigga on the surface. Maybe cause I'm 10 down where the turf is. Don't get lost in those facades on the guys. You know ain't nobody perfect. I just put the work in, I know what my worth is. I'm living lavish, I'm flossing, bossing, and bagging up cash off the passion. Out here with my niggas, AV to the casket. We reckless, stay in your lane. I'm on gas till somebody cut the brakes. Cutting off these haters in the heads of the snakes. You're spinning the plan, bitch, you catching on late. And she just sent the emoji, said she wetter than a lake. So I better not.